Well, welcome back to BRS here on a wonderful, well, let's see, today is Tuesday. All right, we're back on to fabricating up these real quick. We're going to weld these feet in and go for these tubes. Each one of them is marked, and we'll probably do this in a couple of parts. Let's put some weld on these whole things and get them going. Everything's already lined up. Well, this Chinese tubing don't like MIG welded. Then it's toilet paper. Still too high. Waiting on test results for the bride. So I'm going to stay busy. Old welding table's sure working out good.